this is the gaming setup. This is where I spend an unhealthy amount of time playing Counter-Strike 2. This is also the setup that appears in the background of my videos. So I thought it's about time I give you guys a tour. And I want to start off with the desk. This is from ErgoYou. This is their E2 series 2-stage height adjustable sit-stand desk with dual motors. I picked it up with the walnut tabletop and black legs, but you could get white legs, and in terms of tabletop finishes they have maple and this really sick carbon fiber tabletop which would go really well with hardcore gaming setups. The overall build and assembly process was really easy. I just followed the instruction manual and I was able to complete the whole build in about 30 minutes. But if this is your first time building, I'd say, get some help from a family member or call up a friend. I've had this desk for a few months now and so far I really like it. The finish on the tabletop is nice and smooth, although it can pick up some fingerprints here and there. And the build quality of the desk as a whole is really solid. It's very sturdy, no vibrations, no shakes, and no wobbles. And I have my gaming PC to the side of the tabletop, and it is on the heavier side. And so far, I've had no issues. It's really easy to go between sitting and standing height, and you've got 4 programmable height presets, which you can customize to suit your own needs. Let's say you're sharing this table with a family member or a friend, they can save their sitting and standing height as well. So again, really useful. They also sent over their cable management tray and monitor arm. The cable management tray is a blessing in disguise. It takes the power strip, all the cables which would otherwise be on the floor, and stores it in one place and makes the setup look really clean. Even if you don't get their desk, I highly recommend at least purchasing this cable management tray because it is super handy. Now the monitor arm is of really good quality as well. It's able to hold my 27-inch Asus gaming monitor without any issues. No wobbles, no shakes, it's very stable. And this monitor arm allows you to basically adjust your monitor in a way that a typical monitor stand wouldn't. You can bring it forward when you're gaming, push it back when you're just enjoying some content or working on something. You can rotate it in portrait orientation if you're a live streamer or if you do a lot of coding. And there's also tilt and swivel. Basically, you've got 360-degree adjustment for your monitor, and there is also a channel to hide and route cables through, again making the setup look really clean. I'm going to leave links to all the products from ErgoYou in the description down below. Do check them out. I'm not being paid to say this. I genuinely enjoyed using their products. Now getting to the gaming setup, for the keyboard I'm using the EpoMaker X Ola F65. This is a gasket mounted 65% keyboard which I really like. It's got satisfying sound, tri-mode connectivity, so Bluetooth, 2.4G as well as wired, and really long-lasting battery life. For the mouse, I'm using the Creo Icarus. I have reviewed this on the channel a while back. It's still going strong. I really like the shape and it's super lightweight as well, 56 grams. And yeah, 4000 Hz polling rate. Overall, a really nice mouse. For the mousepad, I'm using the Cybart Ghost. It's an esports mousepad, so it's got a good size for FPS games and especially low sensitivity players. The surface is really nice and I've had this one for 2 years now and haven't had the need to replace it. So yeah, it's going good and I really like it. Talking about the monitor, I've got the Asus VG27 8QR. This is a 27-inch Full HD TN panel with 165 Hz refresh rate. I want to go up to 240 Hz, but the only game I play is Counter-Strike 2. And so far, this has been, serving me really well. It's good quality for gaming as well as watching some content on YouTube, catching up on live streams on Twitch. Yeah, haven't felt the need to upgrade it so far. The bezels are not that chunky, so it's getting the job done. Getting to my gaming PC, the case is the NZXT H6 Flow RGB. The processor is the Intel i7 11700F with 40 gigabytes of RAM from Corsair. You've also got an NZXT motherboard, Z490. I have 1 terabyte of NVMe storage and a RTX 3070 Ti. The power supply is from NZXT as well. It's a 850 watt and a bunch of RGB lights. It's not the latest rig, it's not the most powerful, but like I said, the only game I play is Counter-Strike 2, and for that, it gets the job done. Apart from that, I edit a couple of videos in Adobe Premiere Pro, which aren't that heavy. It's just content for social media or my YouTube channel, and most of the time I'm just watching content here on this setup. So yeah, for that, this PC is good enough. For audio, I'm using the HyperX Cloud 3. This is super lightweight, really comfortable, and it's not the best sounding headset out there, but for gaming, it gets the job done. And the mic on this one is really clean. It has really good quality coming out of the mic. Apart from that, I have this desk lamp, a floor lamp from IKEA behind the PC, and this vision frame on the wall, just to add some ambient lighting as well as character to the setup. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button. Let me know in the comments down below about your setup. What are you guys using? And if you have any feedback or thoughts about mine as well, I'll be there replying to you guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future uploads. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.